guys, what's up? I am so excited. We have the full reveal of the Boxyluxe box. Yes, before we get into that, remember my giveaway is the 5,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway. Make sure you're in it. It's a lot of stuff. But let's get into that full box. Here is a complete picture of what's going to be in our box. And we have from Wander Beauty a lift off purifying and brightening mask, peel off mask, retail value $34. Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. Well, we have different variations of that lipstick, and it sells for $24. Next, the Cover FX All-in-One Perfector Face Palette. Remember to do your quiz because there's 2 color variations on this. This is $45. The Deborah Lippmann Gel Lab Pro Color in either Modern Love or Oh Donna. Lily Lashes Gala Faux Mink Lashes. Iconic London Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion, valued at $39. It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, the 2-ounce jar for $48. Morphe 15 palette. It's the 15 shades in a palette. You can either get the 15B, D, N, or H. In the picture, they're showing the Brunch Babe Artistry Palette, retail value $16. So you can get one of the 4 variations, or the 15N Night Master Palette. Is the Moda Brush Powder and Sculpt Glow Kit, which retails for $29.99. It's 2 different brushes. And last but not least is the Boxycharm Makeup Bag. That's our 10th item in the box. So here it is, guys. What do you think? I think this will be a great box. In the comments, put how you like the box. Before we get to the end, I just want to remind everybody about that Sephora Squad application I filled out. I'm trying to be in the first set of influencers of the 2019 Sephora Squad, and I need people from my channel to leave testimonials. So I would really appreciate it if you would take a few minutes out of your time and just give me a quick testimonial on my channel, what you like about the channel. I'd really, truly appreciate it. I haven't gotten many yet. I'll put the link in the description area of this video, and it's a shot in the dark, but thank you if you are taking your time out to do this for me. Please remember to share and subscribe. If you like the video, please give me a like. And until I see you next time, bye.